Every brother is caught in the crossfire.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Bhindi Do Pyaza, because kids like us do not like vegetables. Even I don't like it. So this is a special dish which makes vegetables very tasty. So this is our bhindis. We have dried it so that no water remains in the bhindi. So now we will cut it. So we have chopped the okras or bhindis. So let's go to the other step. So as you can see, it is still green. We have fried it at 2 to 3 minutes. Similarly, we will fry the onion petals till it is translucent. So our onions are ready. You can see the onions are translucent. In this amount of oil, we will fry the dried chili, jeera and ajwain. We will saute this and until it becomes golden brown and the onions become tender. Now I will put the sliced tomato in this. And now I will saute it. As you can see, our mixture of onion and tomato takes this form. It starts removing oil from itself. And now we will add all the spices here. So we have added a little amount of water to our mixture so that the spices mixes properly. Now we will remove the water from here. Again, this preparation is going on by guidance of the father. Now you can see our mixture is removing oil from itself. Now it is the turn to add the bhindi and onions to this mixture. Now we will add salt according to your taste. Our taste. As you can see, our Bhindi Do Pyaza is almost ready. Now we will add our kasuri methi. Our Bhindi Do Pyaza is ready to eat. It looks so tempting. Now let me check the taste. Who said vegetable is not tasty? Thanks to my parents to help me guide to make this luscious dish.